Welcome back to this training course on planning. In the last video, we discussed how to prioritize tasks and make decisions. In this video, we will focus on delegating tasks effectively and managing a team. Delegation is the process of assigning responsibility for a task to someone else. Effective delegation can help you to be more productive and develop your team members' skills. By delegating tasks to others, you can free up your own time to focus on higher priority tasks and provide opportunities for your team members to learn and grow. So, how do we delegate tasks effectively? There are several techniques and tools that can help you to delegate tasks. Some of these include clearly defining the task and expectations, providing support and feedback, and recognizing achievements. Let's take a closer look at each of these techniques. First, clearly defining the task and expectations is important when delegating tasks. Make sure that the person you are delegating the task to understands what is expected of them and what the desired outcome is. Provide clear instructions and set realistic deadlines. Second, providing support and feedback is important when delegating tasks. Make yourself available to answer questions and provide guidance as needed. Provide regular feedback on progress and offer constructive criticism to help the person improve. And third, recognizing achievements is important when delegating tasks. When the person you have delegated the task to completes it successfully, make sure to recognize their efforts and achievements. This can help to motivate them and build their confidence. So remember, effective delegation involves clearly defining the task and expectations, providing support and feedback, and recognizing achievements. In the next video, we will discuss how to track progress and adjust plans as needed. See you there.